In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Intercom Messenger blocked by AdBlock if your support chat bubble isn't showing up where it normally lives. There's a good chance an ad blocker or tracking protection is getting in the way. Intercom Messenger is a customer support tool, but some blockers treat its script like an ad or tracker. Let's methodically confirm whether that's the cause and get it back without compromising your overall privacy. Start by testing whether it's actually being blocked. Open the page where Intercom should appear. Now, temporarily disable every ad blocking and anti-tracking extension you have installed. The key word here is temporarily. We're only switching them off for a quick check. With those off, refresh the page. If the messenger pops right up, you've just confirmed the blocker was responsible. Make a mental note of that result, and remember to turn your extensions back on once we're done testing. Next, try using a browser that's less aggressive about blocking. Open the same page in Chrome, Edge, or another browser you have available. If you're using Firefox, turn off its tracking protection specifically for your site, then refresh. You're looking for the same outcome. If the messenger appears when protection is reduced, that's another strong signal the blocker is behind the issue. This approach helps you avoid disabling tools globally and instead adjust protection where it's safe and necessary. If you want a definitive technical confirmation, use the Developer Console. Press F12 to open your browser's developer tools, then switch to the Console tab. Reload the page and scan for messages that say something like blocked by client or similar errors. If you see those tied to the Intercom script, that's your proof. The fix here isn't to turn everything off permanently, but to whitelist the scripts that power Intercom. In most cases, whitelisting your site and Intercom's domains is enough to let the messenger load while keeping the rest of your protections intact. To wrap up, the process is simple. Verify the block by temporarily disabling extensions and refreshing. Try a browser with lighter protections or adjust tracking settings in Firefox, and if needed, confirm in the console with a blocked by client message. Then resolve it the right way by whitelisting the necessary scripts rather than disabling your entire blocker. Test again after each change, and once the chat appears reliably, turn your broader protections back on. This keeps your support chat working without sacrificing your privacy across the web.